We're going to get into the OSHA rules, some regulations here. And these OSHA regulations, these need to be considered just the foundation. Only the foundation of what we're going to build here today is a house of safety. That's what we're doing together, all right? We're going to build a house of safety. And how we build that house is we take the regulations and you add training. You're going to take the regulations and you're going to add communication, you're going to add leadership skills, you're going to add capacity. You're going to build in capacity to fail safely. And we're going to look out for each other. And as long as we do all these things, looking out for each other, what happens is you build a house of safety. And that house of safety is going to endure, as long as we're together, that house of safety is going to endure any hurricane, any storm, even tornado. Basically, we're going to make a tornado shelter as well in this house of safety, okay? That's where we go, man. We're going to go there and we're going to dwell there, all right? So that's what we do with these regs.